Yeah, you do.
No, I'm not that kind.
Yo, babes, do you like all men or something? What about now? What about now?
I hate that shit.
Yeah? Oh, just a kiss. Right, do you want to come back to my house tonight?
No.
Why?
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Oh my god.
I've got loads of Viagra.
Sorry.
I can get it up. What's wrong? Can I have a kiss? All night. I'll pay you.
What are you doing?
Can I have a kiss?
No.
Oh, you can.
I don't want to marry nobody. Sorry.
Is it because I'm too old?
Yeah, but I don't want to marry anyone. Sorry.
I promise. Yeah, okay. I'm pretty sure he still works down there.
Yeah, but I don't want to marry anyone.
What about Viagra?
I don't want, sorry.
Do you want me to show you?
No, I don't.
Excuse me, how much? Hello, how much?
How much for what?
First.
No, that's not what I do. You have to go next door. I'm gonna talk to you.
This one?
No. They next door there. We can.
But I've got money.
Yeah, but we don't do it.
How much?
We don't do it.
1,000?
Sorry, we don't do it.
Oh, come on.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Do you like old men?
No, don't touch it.
Yeah, you like... No. Yo, you alright, babe? Yo, what's up?
Sorry.
Yo.
I don't want to give you a hug.
Give me a kiss. Give me... Goodbye. Oh, my heart. Oh.
Oh my god.
Yo, you alright, babe? Yo, what's the matter? Don't run away. For me, yo, I'll run after you. Yo, come on. Can I come back to my house? Come back here. I want you. It's a joke. No, it's a joke. It's a joke. No, it's a joke. It's a joke. Oh, it's a joke. You got a green spider in the back of your hair. It's in the back. It's crawling in your shirt. No, your shirt.
Is it gone?
No. Yeah, I know. Oh my god, there's a huge green spider in the back of your head.
Where?
Oh my god.
It's where? Can you get it?
No, it's
Can you get it? Is it
Oh,
gone?
no, it's like stuck to you.
Oh my god. Please get it off.
I'm just kidding, you're in the camera. You okay?
Fuck you.
Oh my god, that's a huge green spider.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it's crawling in your shirt.
Stop. Get it off. Get it off. Stop. Are you serious?
Oh my god, the green spider in your hair.
What?
Huh?
What?
The green spider, it's crawling
Get
in
it
your...
out, get it out.
No, I'm not gonna touch. It's getting in your shirt.
Oh my god, stop. No.
I'm just kidding, you're on
Oh my
camera.
God, shut
We're
the
filming a
fuck
prank
up.
video. The good sport. That was good. Oh my god, that's a huge spider in your back. Woo! Woo! It's crawling in your pants.
Where? Are you serious?
Yeah. It's green.
For real?
It's crawling in your pants. Oh my god, there's a green spider in your hair.
What?
Oh my god, the spider in your hair.
Really?
Yeah. Get it off. It's crawling in your shirt, in the back of your shirt, in the back. In the front.
In my pants?
Yeah, in your shorts.
Are you being for real?
Do I look like I'm kidding?
No. Are you being like dead ass?
I'm kidding with you. We're just filming a prank, YouTube prank. Can we use your reaction?
Oh my god.
Oh no, you got a bug in your hair. Oh my god.
What about?
I don't know. I don't really want to touch it. It's in your hair. It's curled up. Oh my, you got a bug crawling in your hair. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what kind of bug it's one under your little dressy thing.
It's on my shirt.
It's in your, I don't know, it was a green like spidery thing.
Wait, hold on. Is it still there?
No, it's gone now.
Is it in my?
I'm just kidding, we're filming a prank.
Cute.
It went under.
Ah!
Yeah. Woo!
Did it come out?
I don't know. You gotta let me check. Yeah, oh my god, the green spider, what the fuck?
What are you talking about?
I was kidding, it's a prank. You're on camera, good sport,
God.
good sport. That was awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god, you got a green spider in you. Oh my god.
Oh, for real?
It's crawling in your hair.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you got a huge bug in you. Oh my god.
Stop, really?
Woo.
Can you get it
Get
off?
it off. I don't want to touch it. It's big and it's green.
Stop. Can you just please get
Only if I'm getting late tonight.
it? No.
I get it off.
Why? Jesus, mother.